Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Motorola One Vision, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store, click on the search, and right here you have to type the recorder. Just download one of this application. I will go for this one with the highest rating. So let's click on install, and now just wait a little bit. Right now we can open this application, click on the allow, and right now when you want to start recording, just click on this marker right here, and if you want to stop it, click again. You can save this file, but I'm gonna skip it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.